Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you have Microsoft Edge as your main browser, or even if you just want to make sure that your PC is well up to date, Microsoft Edge has received today the security updates that were based on the Chromium security updates of the week. So if you have a Chromium-based browser, if you don't use Google Chrome because we already made a video, but you use Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, or whatever, or Edge, you have possibly a update. So if you go to the Edge browser, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge, you will be up to date to version 129.0.2792.89. And this is the latest version of Microsoft Edge right now. And we hope that you stay safe, as there were 4 security flaws, high severity security flaws, pretty much all pertaining to the V8 scripting engine, which is kind of interesting. It really is a vector of heavy exploit by hackers. Pretty incredible. So check it out. Make sure that you're up to date, and this will mean that you check for updates. Even if you don't use Edge, do check it out, because you know that sometimes Microsoft is sneaky, and you could be clicking a link, clicking something, and mostly with Microsoft apps, and it opens an Edge rather than your favorite browser, which is always something that we don't like, but Microsoft has this sneaky way of doing things sometimes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.